Cool. I think that'll hold. I might go back and put another brace here, but I think that's pretty good. This is the plan for this. Well, there it is. I got it latching, and I got a good place to mount my tire. I might still go back and maybe put one brace right here, a little triangle, or maybe a little triangle right here to reduce vibration, just you know, for safety's sake anyway. But I know some of y'all mentioned maybe adding another brace, but I already had this in here. I think that's plenty for that, especially since it overlaps and this ties in. But I think that'll be pretty secure. This right here, I think I'm okay on this also. Let me do a little test here. This generator's about 50 pounds. I'm about 180. I don't think I need any more bracing in that. What do y'all think? I do need to maybe add some kind of a something to keep that from vibrating. Maybe a little rubber strip in there or something like that, because it'll probably rattle, you know, going down a bumpy road or something. But overall, I'm pretty happy with that. And got some plans for next week. Let me see if I can find where I put them. Next week is probably time to put some locks on everything. And I've got an idea. I got some some of these used puck locks, which good as new, off of eBay, like 30 bucks for 2 of them. And the plan is right now, I'm thinking, we get your guys' input on this, but I'm thinking about putting one right here and just put a bar out the middle and have this, actually it'd have to go like that. So just an idea, and that would end up locking this back part, especially when the generator's there. Nobody would be able to lower the back with this this puck lock on here. I'll probably put a ring around it so nobody can get behind it with a hacksaw or something and try to cut it off. And then for the generator, my plan is to put a plate on the bottom of the generator where the feet come up through the little rubber mounts, and on that plate I will put a little tab, cut a hole in this plate right here, and have the tab hang down on the bottom so that the steel plate is actually part of the bottom of the generator. And I will have that tab come through the bottom, have a hole in it, and have it so maybe this lock will mount it right there, and nobody can lift the generator up and make off with it. Anyway, so that's what I'm thinking about. Plans may change in a week or however long it takes me to get to it. But anyway, that's it for this week. Next week I'm going to try to get it painted, get some locks on it, and maybe be done with it for a little bit, and then start on the interior. I think I'm going to start working on the inside and getting it comfortable to stay in. We're going to be using it again pretty soon, so I've got to get all these loose ends tied up. But yeah, thanks for watching, and everybody have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks.